This is not just any microbial testing tool. Imagine microbiological water data at your fingertips in minutes versus days. Think LuminUltra's second-gen ATP solutions.
Traditional test methods measure only a small percentage of microorganisms and require hours or days to deliver results. When contamination is allowed to proliferate, it can create costly problems including public health risks, equipment failures, and infrastructure degradation.
LuminUltra's line of microbial monitoring solutions delivers an accurate measurement of all microorganisms, which means no threat goes unnoticed. With test results in 5 minutes, there's no delay in responding to a contamination threat.
You don't need to waste time taking samples back to the lab. Our portable equipment allows you to test at the sample point to precisely locate contamination hotspots within your water system.
With that data, your team will be able to diagnose, troubleshoot, and solve microbiological water quality problems in the same shift, putting you back in control.
When used with our cloud-based mobile app, your data becomes even more powerful.
Operators can input water quality data on the spot, supervisors can offer real-time support, and managers can learn about problems early. So whether you're in the field, plant, lab, or office, you'll be able to collaborate for faster, simpler decision-making. Microbiological management is critical to your drinking water process. Now, you can measure, act, confirm, all in minutes.